actually both. Both because employees need to trust that they're being paid, and treated fairly. And when it comes to their compensation, they were hired to do a certain job. They work hard at it. The last thing that they, need to worry about is their pay. So, if they're paid correctly, then they're going to be a more loyal employee in the long run, right? The trust is there. That said, I always encourage employees to always look at their pay stubs. Most don't, to be honest, most don't, or occasionally. Sometimes you'll get the odd question. Most of the time you don't. But, if the trust is there, the employees are going to be loyal. Loyal employees are one of the most valued assets a company can have. And would you stay with an employer if you weren't being paid or compensated fairly or correctly, or, you're always fighting your paycheck? I'm not saying errors don't happen. They do happen occasionally, even, after I've got 20 plus years of experience and I've been in the business a long, long time. So yes, errors do happen, but they should be absolute one-offs, and it's not a matter of that the error happened. It's the importance of how it's corrected. So I'm going to say both. One is directly linked to the other.